In today's video, I'm going to show you the best network settings for gaming in 2025. Perfect for lowering ping, cutting latency, and speeding up your connection. Step by step. Open Network Settings. On Windows, search for Network in the Start menu. Click View Network Connections. Choose your connection. You'll see your Wi-Fi and, if you have it, Ethernet. For the best results, use Ethernet. If you're on Wi-Fi, you can still follow along. Adjust Properties. Double-click your active connection and select Properties. In the list, uncheck everything except Q, OS, Packet Scheduler, Internet Protocol, TCP/IPv4, and IPv6. Save and test, click OK, close the window, and run a quick speed or ping test. That's it. These settings can noticeably reduce lag and stabilize your internet for smoother gameplay. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more gaming tips.